Hey, it's Kelly Dix. Today I got some information that I want to share. If you're a homeowner and you have a septic system on your property, Michigan just provided this new program. It's a loan program. It's called the Septic Replacement Loan Program, and it's available to homeowners. And you could be living in the home, owner occupant, or you could be a landlord. So you can use this system as well. So what it actually is for is if your septic system is failing or it has failed, you can apply for this loan program through the state of Michigan, and it's run actually through the Department of Environment, Great Lakes, and Energy. It's EGLE, and they're working in partnership with Michigan Saves. And they've chosen a few lenders in Michigan that will do this program. So it's pretty new. And really what it all entails is that you would have to fill out this application and know what you need the loan for. So you can use the loan for a couple different things. You could use it for the evaluation of the septic system. You can use it for the design of it. You can use it for the pumping of the system and actually putting in a new system. So there's two different tiers of loan programs, and it's pretty new. So what I found out about it, the tier one is based on your income and people that living in your home, number of people living in your home. So they're going to evaluate your income and the number of people living in your home and see if you can qualify. It's a low interest loan program, and you can borrow anywhere from $1,000 to $30,000 from the tier one program. And the interest rate has to be 1% or lower. And I think the minimum amount of time is a year for the loan, and it could be, I think, up to 10 years you can actually get the loan for. And if you don't qualify for it seems like it's a lower income program for the tier one. The tier two program has different qualifications, and you can apply for that. And that actually will loan you anywhere from $1,000 to $50,000. So there's these two-tier programs, and there wasn't much information more about it. It's just that it's a low-interest program for homeowners only in Michigan that have problems with their septic systems. So if you're buying a home, you cannot use it as a potential buyer. You have to actually be a homeowner. So if you're buying a home that has an issue with the septic system, once you become the homeowner, you can apply for this loan program and be able to use it if you get qualified for it. So it's just another option if you have a septic system and you haven't planned for the money to repair it or replace it. It could be into $20,000, maybe more or less, but it could be costly. So, and you need the septic system to live, and actually if you ever plan on selling it one day. So it's a good program. If anybody is thinking about it or has applied yet or is going through the process, I'd love to hear some feedback with what's going on with it in the comments below. But I think it's a good system. It's a step the state of Michigan is doing for people that need help with financing a new septic. Let me know what you think. Thanks.